How to turn off password when downloading apps from App Store on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, you can manage content, apps, and settings. Turn on the Content and Privacy Restrictions feature at the top. And then, go to iTunes and App Store Purchases. After that, go to the Require Password section and select Don't Require. You will now no longer require a password for additional purchases after making a purchase. Following these steps, you can easily turn off password when downloading apps from App Store on iPhone.